Welcome to the world of adventure and exploration. Today, we bring you 4 exceptional first aid kits that will keep you safe and prepared on your outdoor journeys. Let's start with the Hiker First Aid Kit. Introducing the Hiker First Aid Kit, the ultimate companion for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. This lightweight and portable kit is designed by our team of specialists to handle any situation you might encounter on your journey. From minor cuts to more serious emergencies like spider or snake bites, the Hiker First Aid Kit has got you covered. Its hard-wearing material ensures your supplies are safe and dry, while the special Ziploc and waist belt provide you with convenience and easy access. Size just right at 21 by 15 by 7.5 centimeters. This stylish kit will be your trusty sidekick on every adventure. Next up, the Hunter Protector First Aid Kit, the perfect tool for those daring souls venturing into the wild. Equipped with high-quality medical-grade products, this kit is designed to handle high-risk environments. Compact and ultralight, this kit can be easily worn or carried in your backpack. Its robust build, complete with a Ziploc and waist belt, ensures that you stay prepared for any unexpected situations. Now, let's delve into the Explorer Pack. Adventure First Aid Kit, an all-inclusive and reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. With ample storage space and a durable design, this kit is perfect for camping, hiking, and any other adventure you seek. The detachable shoulder strap and carry handles make it easy to carry, ensuring you're always prepared for the unexpected. Last but not least, the Outdoor Survival First Aid Kit. A robust kit designed for high-risk environments, equipped with an array of specialized medical supplies. Housed in a hard-wearing green case with snap locks and carry handles, this kit is ready for any challenge. Its comprehensive contents list and sheet ensure easy management and restocking. So, whether you're a hiker, hunter, explorer, or an outdoor enthusiast, we have the perfect first aid kit to keep you safe and prepared. Embrace every adventure with confidence, knowing you have the right tools by your side. Visit our website to explore these fantastic first aid kits and embark on a journey of safety and excitement. Adventure awaits. Prepare with confidence. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.